The next 10 years could create more wealth than the previous 20. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. Robotics, automation, clean energy, biotechnology, cybersecurity, and digital finance are reshaping the global economy. At the same time, governments are investing billions in infrastructure, companies are racing to innovate, and entire sectors are evolving faster than ever before. The real question isn't whether opportunities will exist, it's whether your portfolio is positioned to benefit from them. Many investors spend their time worrying about what the market will do next week or next month. They chase headlines, panic during corrections, and constantly jump from one investment to another. But history shows that real wealth is rarely built by reacting to short-term news. It's built by owning high-quality assets, staying invested through market cycles, and allowing compound growth to work over many years. Today, I'll show you exactly how I would build a stocks and shares portfolio designed not for the next few months, but for the next decade. When most people hear the word portfolio, they immediately think about buying a few popular stocks. But building a successful investment portfolio is much more than simply picking companies you like. A great portfolio is like a well-designed sports team. Every player has a different role. Some provide stability, others generate growth. Some produce income, others protect against uncertainty. The objective isn't to find one investment that will outperform everything else. The objective is to build a collection of investments that work together. Over the next 8 minutes, I'll explain how I structure a long-term portfolio, why diversification is essential, which sectors I believe have enormous potential over the next decade, the mistakes to avoid, and why consistency is far more important than chasing the next market trend. If there is one lesson I have learned throughout my investing journey, it is that the future is impossible to predict with complete accuracy, but it is possible to prepare for it. Many new investors spend countless hours searching for the perfect stock, believing that one investment will completely transform their financial future. While extraordinary companies certainly exist, building long-term wealth rarely depends on finding a single winner. Instead, it depends on creating a resilient portfolio that can benefit from multiple opportunities while protecting you from unnecessary risks. The first principle I follow is that every portfolio needs a strong foundation. Before thinking about exciting growth stocks or emerging technologies, I want broad exposure to the overall market. This is where diversified ETFs become incredibly valuable. Funds that track indexes such as the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, or global equity markets allow investors to participate in the growth of thousands of companies simultaneously. These funds reduce company-specific risk while still benefiting from long-term economic expansion. Rather than betting everything on one business, you're investing in the collective strength of entire economies. Once the foundation is established, I begin adding carefully selected individual stocks. This is where I look for companies with durable competitive advantages, strong balance sheets, consistent profitability, visionary leadership, and products or services that I believe will remain relevant for many years. I am not interested in businesses that simply happen to be popular today. I want companies that continue innovating, adapting, and creating value regardless of short-term economic conditions. Artificial intelligence is one area I believe will continue transforming the global economy throughout the coming decade. Companies providing AI infrastructure, semiconductor technology, cloud computing, and enterprise software are likely to remain central to digital transformation. Businesses such as NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Broadcom, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing have already demonstrated how essential their technologies have become. That doesn't mean their share prices will rise every year, but their long-term strategic importance is difficult to ignore. Technology, however, should never dominate an entire portfolio. Concentrating too heavily in one sector exposes investors to unnecessary risk. Healthcare represents another area with enormous long-term potential. Aging populations, medical innovation, personalized medicine, biotechnology, and advances in artificial intelligence-assisted diagnostics continue creating new investment opportunities. Healthcare also tends to remain relatively resilient during economic slowdowns because demand for medical services continues regardless of market conditions. Financial services also deserve attention. Digital payments, financial technology, wealth management, insurance, and traditional banking continue evolving rapidly. Companies capable of combining innovation with financial stability may benefit from increasing global demand for efficient financial services. Likewise, infrastructure companies stand to benefit from government investment in transportation, energy networks, and digital infrastructure as economies modernize over the coming decade. I also believe that renewable energy and electrification will remain significant long-term themes. Governments and corporations continue investing heavily in renewable energy production, battery technology, electric vehicles, and grid modernization. While individual companies within these sectors can experience considerable volatility, the broader trend toward cleaner energy sources appears likely to continue over many years. Diversification should also extend beyond sectors. Geographic diversification helps reduce dependence on a single country's economy. While the United States continues leading many areas of innovation, international markets also offer attractive opportunities. Europe remains home to globally competitive industrial, pharmaceutical, and luxury goods companies. Japan continues advancing automation and robotics. Emerging markets provide exposure to expanding middle classes and long-term economic development. A globally diversified portfolio allows investors to benefit wherever growth occurs. Another principle I consider essential is balancing growth with stability. Younger investors often focus exclusively on maximizing returns, which can lead to excessive concentration in high-growth sectors. While growth is important, stability helps investors remain committed during periods of market volatility. Dividend-paying companies, broad market ETFs, and eventually bonds can reduce portfolio swings and make it psychologically easier to stay invested during market downturns. The best investment strategy is the one you can continue following through bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. One mistake I have consciously tried to avoid is constantly chasing whatever happens to be trending. Every market cycle produces new themes that capture investors' attention. Sometimes those trends represent genuine long-term opportunities, while other times they become speculative bubbles. Rather than investing based on headlines or fear of missing out, I prefer building positions gradually through regular contributions. This approach reduces the pressure of trying to perfectly time the market and benefits from pound-cost averaging over time. Cash also has an important role. While cash does not generate the same long-term returns as equities, maintaining an emergency fund prevents investors from being forced to sell investments during market downturns to cover unexpected expenses. Liquidity provides flexibility and peace of mind. Artificial intelligence remains one of the strongest investment themes entering the second half of 2026. Major technology companies including NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta Platforms, Broadcom, and TSMC continue investing heavily in AI infrastructure, advanced semiconductors, cloud computing, and enterprise AI solutions. Meanwhile, global ETF investing continues attracting record inflows as investors increasingly favor diversified, low-cost portfolios over frequent trading. Index funds tracking the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and global equity markets remain among the most widely purchased investment products. Healthcare innovation is accelerating through advances in AI-assisted diagnostics, precision medicine, and biotechnology, while governments across North America, Europe, and Asia continue supporting investments in clean energy, digital infrastructure, cybersecurity, and semiconductor manufacturing. Financial experts continue emphasizing that the most successful long-term portfolios are built around diversification, disciplined investing, low costs, and maintaining exposure to multiple sectors rather than attempting to predict the next short-term market winner. Perhaps the most underestimated factor in successful investing is behavior. Markets will experience corrections, headlines will become negative, economic uncertainty will always exist. The investors who typically build lasting wealth are not those who perfectly predict every market movement, but those who continue investing consistently despite uncertainty. Patience, discipline, and emotional control often produce better results than attempting to forecast short-term price movements. Over the next 10 years, industries will evolve in ways we cannot fully predict. New technologies will emerge, companies will rise and fall, and unexpected challenges will occur. A well-constructed portfolio acknowledges this uncertainty instead of trying to eliminate it. By combining diversified ETFs, carefully selected individual companies, exposure to multiple sectors, international diversification, and consistent investing, investors place themselves in a strong position to benefit from long-term global growth without relying on a single prediction being correct. Ultimately, building a 10-year portfolio isn't about creating excitement. It's about creating resilience. It's about accepting that nobody knows exactly what the future holds, while investing in the belief that innovation, productivity, and human progress will continue driving economic growth over time. That's the philosophy that guides every investment decision I make. The next 10 years will almost certainly bring surprises. Some companies will disappear. Others will transform entire industries. No one can predict every winner. But you don't need to. Build a diversified portfolio. Stay consistent. Invest regularly. Keep your costs low. Think long-term. And allow compound growth to work quietly in the background. That's how portfolios survive market crashes, benefit from innovation, and create lasting wealth over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos on investing, ETFs, personal finance, and building long-term wealth. Now I'd love to hear from you. If you had to invest for the next 10 years starting today, which company or ETF would be your first choice? Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.